Hey guys, another trading robot review today. So we previously looked at these ones, or the quantum ones, trade EA as well. And today I actually want to look at this one, AI TradingVision GPT. It's currently going for 699 US dollars, and it is relatively new. Only been around for a couple of months. 22nd of November. Loads of demos. Downloaded. Sometimes you get to see how many sales. Obviously, for it to be on the first page within the top 10, it's selling well. And, obviously, all the stats always look good. And I did have a look at the reviews. A lot of the reviews have been really quite good. So, purchased this robot around Christmas, and so far I've seen great results. Prop challenge, okay, that's fine. Prop challenges are also demo accounts. Another one which says best EA on the market, and they've been good. Unique strategy. Okay, so I mean, you can look at the reviews. The majority of these reviews are good, and obviously maybe you want to test and look at this a bit more. So yeah, someone did say that it started and it lost, but now at the end of January it's back. Well, it's actually up 13k profit. So I like things like this where it talks about a lot loss. Not all roses. So this one, they said there was a loss, but it's actually come back. So I do like that one. Anything else here? So yeah, just generally really good positive reviews. And so I decided to look at see if I can see anyone else trading this on my FX book. I've noticed it's a demos. I wasn't able to find anyone using this on a live account as yet, but you can see this is a demo account. It's made 20% since November, or end of November, so a couple of months. And then there's another one here. This one was interesting, a big drop, but it recovers. Yeah, this one here, also a brand new one that hasn't even started yet. So going back to the author's account, it says there's a live signal. I did click on that. Obviously, that looks impressive. However, what isn't so great is that, and I need to refresh this again. Refresh. 34% great, but it's a demo. And like we saw with all the MyFX Books accounts, they were all demos. So I've yet to see a live real money account trading this as yet. But all the demos have been good. And, that's not to say that it will go well. In fact, in live trading, quite often you can see results which look fantastic in demos, but don't work in the real world. So I just want to mention that. The other thing were the back tests which I ran. Okay, so these were the back tests which I ran. I ran the Euro USD. Also looks fantastic. $1,000. It made 337. Okay, history of the ticks is not good. But if you look at the gross profit and versus the gross loss, that loss is tiny compared to the gross profit, which means the drawdown was less than 1%. But and what I did was I actually did run it longer as well. So I ran it for 2010 to 2024. Yeah, that's 14 years, right? 14 years of data. But it looked really, really impressive. Profit factor 48. That's crazy, isn't it? And then did the same for pound dollar, also 2010 to 2024. This looks equally as good. 85,000 profit from 1,000. Okay, the gross loss is higher, so I wasn't able to keep the drawdown as low, but it did reach higher. And then also tried US dollar, which isn't one that he recommends on the list. So I thought I'd try to use something which wasn't on the recommended list to trade. Once again, 2010, 2024. This one also looks, really, really good. So yeah, it's really hard to see how these. I am, as you know, I'm very, very skeptical. When results look this good, it's very, very difficult for me to believe them. So, let's run the visual test. Turn on the visual mode. Click start. Right, let's have a look to see what it does. Maximize the screen as much as possible. Here we are. Okay, it's made a couple of trades, and when it does that, you can pause. So you can see it has made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 trades, 6 sell trades, and it's got a very similar type of feel as the it says Titan I looked at yesterday. You've got this, this dialog box here. It talks about trend, range open, play, and it's a trailing stop. You see trailing stop. It's the ultimate target here. Wow, look at that move. Okay, so it hit the trailing stop. That was a very nice profit, actually, a very nice move. Oh, I saw a little tick. Oh, there's another one, another short. That short again, more shorts. Okay, it's going against it. And I think here you can see the profits are minus 20. It needs to get down here to break even, or around here. At least it's okay. Here's the. You see that? This is the trading stop. Another tick to say, yep, we made it. Just okay. I can't really glean any information as to how this trades, but all I can see is that it opens the first one, which is the main sell, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades to follow. So if there's sells, you get another bunch of sells, and as it moves, there's a trading stop to capture the profits and lower the risk. So I think they've all been sells so far. Ins means the open trade. Outs are the closed trades. All the ins have been sells, have they? Yeah, I mean, we are going down. Okay, let's go. It's time to go up now. Let's see if trend. I still think it's a downtrend. Okay, yes. What's it doing? It's opened another set of sell trades. The trend is still, but so it must be was it looking at this in the 15-minute time frame? It's possibly got some sort of trend filter on the hard time frames. It's got another sell. I mean, that's pretty much how it works. I'm not going to run through this whole video showing this, but you can do this yourself and watch it. But obviously, we've had every single trade has been a win so far. So, yeah, I mean, I'm just really skeptical of really, really good backtest results like this. So, ideally, would need this to be running on a live account before committing to it. In demo accounts don't mean anything good to see, but that don't really mean that it'll do exactly the same thing in the real world. So yeah, sorry I couldn't give you much information. I hope some of it was useful at least, but it does look like another one with great backtest results. No wonder it's sitting in the top 10 in the MetaTrader charts right now. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.